What's good, y'all? I'm back. I know I was supposed to do a vid last week. Sorry, y'all. I did film a video last week, but I forgot to turn on the recording for the screen, and I only recorded my face, and I just got discouraged. But I'm back here. Today's gonna be a little different. I think I'm gonna make some more like hip hop based stuff. Some like you can yen, some shit. Maybe some Swappa vibes. I've been listening to a lot of Swappa. So, yeah, we'll see. But first, we gonna take a trip to Yodi Land.
Yodi Land, take it out. Blowing a pack is really loud.
Something here, maybe from Electra X, thinking about what it could be, though. Maybe one of their pads. Now we went from to more controlled. It's more high, it's more clear, it's wavier, and then that way when everything else comes in, it's just clean, bro. Alright, one thing I kind of want to fix, I kind of thought I liked the muddy feel of these, but I think I'm going to actually change them to be like a bit cleaner. So the way I'm going to do that is just take an EQ and then make like a little mark like this and then just put it on the harsh points. So let's just look at what those look like here. So let's actually just tone in our sound. So I'm seeing spikes like in here, so I'm going to use one spike probably like here. Also, we're getting a lot of pluck, bass. I really like doing this beat cutout, so like I'll just take this, throw this on the last end. Oop, oop. Alright, so now we're gonna do a little listen through so you can hear what I made today. Again, it's like simpler stuff, but I really like it. I'm not really sure what type of beat that is. It's kind of just like my own style mixed with like what I hear. So yeah, but let me know what y'all want me to make next. I mean, I'm up for suggestions. I keep just doing whatever, but like y'all want to see me do something, I'm happy to do it. So I'm sure that'll be entertaining to see me try some stuff. I might fail, might succeed. I've gotten pretty good with the FL, so let me know. SoundCloud, Instagram, link below as usual. Like and subscribe, really helps the channel. Really trying to grow this bitch. Love y'all, peace out, have a good week, all the above. I'm finna side for the night, she wanna know my ETA. Burning bridges left to right, I can't trust niggas, yeah they snakes. I done spent 100 bands, ain't just about a